So we've set off for an evening hunt, and before we even left the road, we spooked 6 Fallow. We stopped to have a chat about who was going to go where, and while we were standing talking, 4 Fallow ran across the road in front of us. And then I walked around the corner and 2 more ran across the road in front of me. Anyway, I've been walking for about half an hour now, and I just saw a Fallow behind the camera in the little gully there. And that sounded like a dog. Anyway, I'm going to keep walking parallel to this gully and then maybe drop in. So hopefully I can see something. Wish me luck. I found a spot where I'm going to sit and wait. The last 2 nights, fallow deer have been spotted crossing the road over there. So I'll wait them out of here. Hopefully I can catch them crossing tonight. They come down this gully and cross over into the farmer's land, which is back there. Looks like I'm going to have to move from this spot because the wind's blowing completely the wrong direction. It's blowing right up this gully, so nothing's going to come down as long as the wind's blowing that way. I'll have to see if I can find another spot so that the wind doesn't give me away. I was so busy looking for fallow that I just got honked by a sambar hind. I was walking in the middle of the road, didn't see her at all. She's over there where the sun's setting, just standing in a bunch of trees. And I would have been maybe 40 meters away, and she honked me and took off over there. Sucks. for another bow hunt. Saw a couple more fallow just over up on the ridge, probably 80 or 90 meters away, so no chance of getting a shot. And both times that I saw them, they were running, so I did see two more dingo pups, which you've seen on the video now. They were just playing in the grass. The yelp I heard earlier was probably one of them biting the other one. Anyway, it's back to camp now. It's about 8:30 at night. It's just getting dark. Time for a hot steak and a cold beer. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel. And click on the video on the right if you want to see some more hunting videos. Thanks for watching to the end.